Welcome to Nasha's Art. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a very simple line drawing of a nose in the frontal position and also a side profile. So let's get straight to it. Let's begin our nose with a small curved line, only very slightly curved. We're then going to, from either end of the line, go up diagonally to create a little sort of dot shape. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Curve up in a diagonal to end in just a little sort of dot. The next step is we're going to do a curved C sort of shape that curves around this. I'm going to begin from the base and just go up to the top and bring that curved C shape round for one nostril. You can always adapt that shape as you see fit, and try and make it symmetrical on the other side. You can then go to one or the other side of your curved C shape and just take that line up slightly, just indicating the rest of the nose. You can adapt and change the shape of this and experiment with other shaped nostrils. Let's try another one. This time I'm going to curve it slightly more at the beginning, and we're going to only curve up a little bit. Now let's try that C shape again, one side and then the other. This time let's curve it up from the right hand side. You can fill a whole page and experiment with these kind of nostrils. It's quite fun, and you can understand how you can adapt and change it to suit various different kinds of noses, keeping them really simple and just experimenting with them. Now let's do the nose from the side profile view. If it helps you to understand the shape of this nose more, it may be useful to use guidelines to help you. I'll show you how that looks. So you want to start with a triangle shape. That represents the nose sticking out of the face. There we have our triangle shape. And I'm only really going to do this side and the base of the triangle. This side I don't need. In that triangle, and slightly coming out the end, I'm going to use my eye to draw a larger circle. So that will look something like this. Next to that circle and behind it, I'm going to draw a smaller circle. I'm now going to use these guidelines to draw my nose. So I'm going to come from here, I'm going to curve slightly up for the bridge, and then I'm going to come out, round that large circle, and up. I'm then going to come across the circle near the base, curve down and round for the nostril, and that sort of gives you your guidance shape. You could then take your rubber and rub off your guiding lines which will reveal your nose shape a bit clearly. Once you've had enough drawing these frontal noses, you can then have a go drawing the nose from the side. Most noses have a very small bridge at the top, so let's begin from the top of the nose and come down with a very small little bump for the bridge. Come down again and round. From there, we're going to begin the nostril. So come back in on yourself a little bit, do a little dot, and come up and down, and then round. A very, very simplistic line drawing of a nose. You can then experiment and explore with this type of side profile nose and try drawing different ones. You can draw slightly pointier ones, slightly hooked ones, rounder ones, and play around with this type of nose. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Do check out my tutorial on how to draw the proportions of the face, as it also gives you a demonstration of how a nose fits in when you're drawing a full face in frontal view. So I'll put that link to that video in the description below and also as a pop-up info card, so you can check that out. Do like and subscribe because your support is greatly appreciated by me. And very soon I will also do a video on how to draw a very simple mouth using similar techniques that I've shown in this video. So look forward to seeing you soon, and thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you want to see some more of my artwork, check out Nash Henkel Art on Insta.